Coloring hair is a fun activity, but what matters the most is maintaining the health of your hair after the fun part. Hair color often fades away after a few washes, and the vibrancy is lost before you even realize. Not to mention the hassle of dry and damaged hair caused by coloring. So it's always important to take maximum care of your hair after you have dyed it, to ensure a vibrant and gorgeous outlook. Besides, using the right shampoo for keeping the color intact is also important to choose the perfect conditioner, so that you don't end up with faded dry hair after a few days. Keeping this in mind, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best conditioners for your color-treated hair. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Your search for a conditioner which will perfectly take care of your colored, tinted, or highlighted hair is over, because the Schwarzkopf GLISS Hair Repair Color Guard Conditioner is here to your rescue. This conditioner comes with the goodness of liquid keratin, which repairs your damaged hair and renews it, while working deep inside of your hair. The color protection system with UV filter seals and reserves your hair color and adds luminance. The conditioner protects your color for up to 12 weeks. It improves combability and repairs damaged hair while providing deep reconstruction. It has an anti-fading formula, and the conditioner also works to maintain the vibrancy of your color-treated hair. The Schwarzkopf GLISS Hair Repair Color Guard Conditioner has earned a number of positive comments and ratings from users on Amazon. They loved how this product actually works, and it takes care of damaged and frizzy hair while keeping the highlight perfect. But besides that, a few users were disappointed with their outcomes. So let's move on to the ratings. We appreciate the value and affordability of this conditioner, and we'll give it 5 stars on those points. And in case of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today's video is the Joico K-PAK Color Therapy Conditioner, which will be a great option for preserving your hair color. This conditioner has a smart release technology, which helps to repair and protect hair with the goodness of rose hip oil, arginine, and keratin. It is infused with African manketti oil, which provides protection against fading of color. Keratin replaces lost proteins and repairs hair, while argan oil nourishes your hair deeply. This conditioner restores your hair and it keeps the color vibrant. It not only increases shine, but also improves the manageability of your hair while hydrating and strengthening hair strands. This conditioner is appreciated by many users for its exquisite formula. They love how it makes their hair look healthy and enables the color treatment to last longer than that. But as it goes, a few of them were not satisfied with their purchase. So it's time to rate the product. We highly admire the formula and the value of this product and give it 5 stars on those aspects. But the conditioner is expensive, so it'll get 4 stars in the case of price. Imagine having a conditioner which will keep your hair color vibrant up to 40 washes. Well, you don't need to imagine anything anymore, because the Nexxus Color Assure Conditioner is here to give you that assurance. This conditioner has the greatness of an exclusive protein fusion blend with elastin proteins and quinoa, which helps to replenish nutrients for reserving the color of your hair. The advanced conditioning technology of this product helps to keep your hair smooth and soft while being gentle. It's a moisturizing conditioner which reawakens your colored hair and provides salon quality treatment. It provides protection to the essential proteins within your hair fibers and increases the vibrancy of color while restoring shine. The Nexxus Color Assure conditioner is loved by users as it works great and it makes your hair soft while keeping the color vibrant, without making the hair dry or brittle. But some of them didn't have a great experience with this product. It's time to rate it. In case of acceptance and value, it undoubtedly gets 5 stars, but the product is a bit pricey, so it'll get 4 stars on that. If you're looking for a conditioner which will provide targeted repairing benefits to your color-treated hair, then the Redken Color Extend Magnetics Conditioner is a great option for you. It comes with an exclusive RCT protein complex, which takes care of your hair from root to tip, ensuring the perfect nourishment for your color-treated hair. Soy protein in this conditioner locks in moisture while adding structure, and amino ions form a protective seal to keep your hair color intact. This conditioner also has arginine, which stimulates your scalp for conditioning hair perfectly. It repairs and makes your hair smooth and provides easy detangling with a softer feeling. This award-winning product also replenishes hair while restoring the look of your ends. The Redken Color Extend Magnetics Conditioner is highly appreciated by users. They love how this conditioner makes your hair soft and keeps hair color vibrant while leaving a beautiful scent. But then again, a few of them complained that the conditioner left their hair greasy. It's time to check out the ratings. We love the formula of this conditioner, and we also appreciated the fact that it is budget friendly. So overall, we would like to give it 5 out of 5 stars. Our best pick for today is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Color Vibrancy Protecting Conditioner, which is widely popular among users with color-treated hair for its exclusive formula and beneficial outcomes. This conditioner has the goodness of linseed plus antioxidants elixirs, which help to nourish your colored hair and protects the color from fading away. It holds the vibrancy for up to 60 days, keeping your hair healthy and shiny. The product helps to protect your hair from damage caused by the sun and pollution. And it provides instant nourishment. It also provides high shine and protects hair fibers, restoring the health of your hair. This conditioner has earned thousands of positive feedbacks from users on Amazon, and they love the product as it keeps your hair color vibrant for a long time and doesn't feel sticky or oily. But a few users were not satisfied with their purchase. Now let's take a look at the ratings. We were absolutely happy with this product, and it also is quite affordable, so we would like to give it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. So those were our top 5 conditioners for color-treated hair. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.